Hi Glamour and Sugaries, it's me Cherry and this is Nomi, my homie. We are gonna have a great time. We have entered the winter holiday season, so I wanted to bring you all joy by creating something really fantastic. Gingerbread cookie puzzles. What is a cookie puzzle? Well, you know, there aren't a whole lot of them out there. I just decided that I would make different cookie pieces. They're made with gingerbread. See this beautiful gingerbread cookie topped with royal icing decorations, and they're all made piece by piece, so they're interchangeable. Look, they're glasses. You can remove the glasses. You can change the scarves if you want to. It's a really fun way of doing cookies this Christmas. I don't usually make a whole lot of gingerbread because I find it to be a little intimidating, but I got this recipe from Cookie Countess. She's wonderful. She has a website full of cake supplies that I love, and her gingerbread cookie recipe is to die for. It can be soft or it can be a firmer texture, and you can use it to build houses, so you can make any pieces you want. Come on guys, look at these pieces. They're so adorable. I know you want to make these with me. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that thumbs up to like my video and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I come out with a new video. We are gonna get into the wet ingredients. In this bowl, I have 1 cup, which is the same as 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter. We're gonna cream that in a moment. We're gonna put in the 1 cup of dark brown sugar. I didn't want to do that quite yet, but we're gonna do it. Let's just do it. Let's see what happens when you mix it together at once. My normal routine is to cream the butter first and then add the sugar. I apologize, but it's not gonna make a difference, to be honest with you. It tastes like paradise. Just kidding. Yes, sir, videographer, sir, ma'am, miss. Well, you know, if this isn't gonna be fun, then why am I doing it? Now we're gonna add 1/2 cup of this black tar, baby. This has a distinct smell, and I can't tell you what it smells like, but okay, maybe it's because I'm Asian, but it smells like soy sauce a little bit. I wonder why. I'll have to look that up on Google. Don't put soy sauce in there. All right, we're gonna mix that around. Ooh, it makes a pretty color. It's a gingerbread, gingery color. Okay, let's add those eggs. 1, 2 huevos. Huevos rancheros. Now let's talk about the dry ingredients. To our gingery mixture, we're going to add 1/3 cup of cornstarch. And then we have 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, and 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Now at this point, you can also add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cloves, but I don't have any of that, and I omitted it, and it tasted just perfect for a gingerbread the way I like it. That smells really spicy and cinnamony. I can smell the molasses, the cinnamon. It's all going up my nose. I love gingerbread up my nose. Don't you? Know me, the homie? You guys gotta make gingerbread cookies with me. I mean, this is just fun. We'll have some eggnog. It'll be a blast. Let's add that flour. We got 5 cups of flour here. We may or may not need to add all of it. The ingredients are 4.5 to 5 cups. So we're gonna add some of it only a little bit at a time because we don't want it to get all over the place. Now we add more. See how it's coming together real nicely? It is still a little bit wet. Can you tell just by looking at it really closely? It's still got some wet areas and it's sticky. So that means we need to add more flour. All right, it's getting drier. It is still a little sticky to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of that. And I might even get a little bit more reserve just to see if I need a little more to make it more of a robust dough. Squeeze it together. It's still kind of soft, a little tiny bit sticky. I think I'm gonna add a tiny bit more flour. All right. Ah, don't let it fall out of the bowl. This is good. We're gonna put it on plastic wrap. I wrapped my dough all up in a nice little bundle. Gonna put it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 hours to chill and just harden up just a little bit, and then we can roll it out and make our cookies. Fun fact, this is a no spread dough, so even if you couldn't wait and you didn't want to put it in the fridge, you could roll it out right away. It'll be a little sticky, but it won't spread in the oven. Let's get to rolling. Before you go and cut your cookies out, make sure you cut your template pieces out. I'll put a link below so you can make your own template at home. This is part of his hat. This is the rim of his hat. His face, his beard, his glasses, eyes and nose, his nice pointy ears, and his feather. While I'm rolling this out to 3/8 of an inch thick, I wanted to tell you that this is a very versatile dough. You can cut it out, it's not gonna spread. You can make it into a gingerbread house if you wanted to instead of this elf that we're making. You caught me, I'm laying my pieces out already. Why am I not cutting out the eyes? Well, because we're gonna pipe the eyes on, so don't worry about those, okay? Let's start a cutting. Do it gently. There we go. And then reshape it if it got out of shape for you. There we go. Looking like a hat, babe. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the rest of these pieces and show you how they look when they're on the tray. As a tip, cut a little piece of dough out and put it onto your sheet tray before you put the glasses on there, because once you cut the glasses out, you're not gonna wanna move them. And I also advise you that you can make things thicker. You don't have to necessarily follow all the lines so that the integrity of the cookie stays together. Make sure you preheated that oven to 375, and we're gonna slip these right in. Naomi, it's time to get the cookies out of the oven.
Hooray.
It's been 15 minutes. All right, folks, so look at the edges here. I have a little browning around the edge. That's how I like them. If you want them a little crunchier, you can make them a little darker, but it took 15 minutes for mine. It might not take that long for yours. So everybody's oven is different, but let's let these cool and then we can decorate. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Kill the Christmas music. It's time to film. That sounds like a wounded bear in the forest. We better save him with some cookies. In order to get the recipe for my awesome royal icing that I really love to make in millions of colors, please visit my video on the Among Us Sugar Cookie Challenge. And there I make the royal icing from scratch. Now let's get to piping. Decorating. Gonna start out with his facial features. We'll pipe our outline. You shake it to get it smooth. Yay! I love the eye. Really cute. Just look at our colorful array of pieces. Oh my goodness. We're ready to do a little bit of detail. So I have more royal icing. I have sprinkles galore. We can hit it with some bling. This is a scribe tool. My daughter Cameron, you know, the creative one that makes the buttons, made these out of air dry clay and I stuck them on the scribes. The scribe helps you to smooth things out and push things into where they should go. And we're gonna put little white dots where those little holes are that I created to complete the eyes. Clark Kent, Superman, Super Elf, Amy, Kara,
Yeah.
and Supergirl. Now we're gonna do the details on the ears. I personally think these look like Vulcan ears. They're so cool. I'm gonna put these beautiful gold pearls as her earrings. You gotta see this. I'm serious. This is major disco dust. It is edible. Don't freak out. It's totally edible. And I want to actually put it on her cheeks. Ooh, cute. But let's give a little detail to these beards, shall we? I'm just creating a beautiful scarf for my girl Elf. Beautiful collar. On the girl's glasses, I'm going to add a gorgeous little snowflake. Come on, little snowflake. There we go. Aw, cute. I'm gonna do stripes on the boy's scarf. Actually, we decided these weren't gonna be hat rims, they were gonna be scarves. Let's do some retro stars on here. They're twinkly stars. Ta-da! Do you want to see it? Come see. There it is. Gorgeous. I will add one little detail right here, I think. When you get a straight line, you just drop it from a little bit of a height there. But you just start piping, then you draw it up, and let it fall down onto the canvas, and hope you're a little bit steady. And that's it.
Oh, I can hardly contain myself. I have all these really nice pieces done, and we are about to assemble our cookie elf puzzle. Here's the hat. Do you recognize this hat, anybody? If you know this hat, you know my favorite Christmas movie. Oh. Yes, it's Elf, that's right. Buddy the Elf is my favorite. So let's give our elf a face. Oh, look at these coming together. We gotta give him some ears. Oh, it's so cute. And what's next, Sally? A nose? Let's give him a nose. Put his nose, is that the same nose? Yeah, that's his nose. And then we'll give him a beard. Oh, how cute. We forgot something, his glasses. Let's give him some glasses. Oh, we gotta move his nose, yeah. Let's move his nose first. Don't squish his eye. Uh-oh, we squished his eye a little. If we set the nose like that. There we go, we have a puzzle. I think I made a boo-boo with his eye. There we go. Wait, he had something in his eye. And let's finish him off with his beautiful red scarf and the token feather. That's Buddy's favorite feather right there.
How does he look? Aw, so cool. I can't wait to share this with my friends and family. It would just be so fun to put together, change the pieces, and eat it all.
What do you think, Nomi? Are we doing a good job so far? We put together a box here so we can, wrap it up in a gift if we wanted to. Let's see how she looks in that Let's start with her hat. And then give her her face. Oh, it's almost like a unicorn face. It's so cute. This is the first time I'm totally seeing it all together, so I'm pretty excited about this. Assembling upside down, everybody. I hope this looks right. Nope, that's backwards. All right, there we go. How's that? Does that look better? Her glasses. She's got some special, like, Sylvia Weinstock glasses. You know Sylvia Weinstock. If you're a cake designer, she is brilliant at wedding cakes, and she was one of my first inspirations when I became a baker. And look at that, Sylvia Weinstock glasses. Now she needs her nose, her beautiful little nose, and then she needs her scarf because she doesn't have a beard in this case. There we go. There's our elf girl. What do you think? Aw, so sweet. It's a present for you.
So I want to show you the inside of the cookie. Here, I'm gonna break this one. Nobody's gonna miss it. Whoa, look at that inside. These are really satisfying. You can taste the molasses, the ginger, the cinnamon. It's really the perfect gingerbread cookie, and I've tried a lot of them. Glamour and Sugaries, thank you so much for hanging out with me. I had a wonderful, wonderful time hanging out with you today and making this wonderland of cookies. How about you, Nomi? Did you have a good time too?
Yes.
We love you guys. I hope you try these. Nomi wanted to show you his cookie pops that he made with the leftover dough. All you have to do is stick the sticks in when you're cutting the cookies out and then bake them in the oven. If you want the perfect cookie for this holiday season, it is this gingerbread cookie. You can dip it in hot chocolate or have it with coffee and, you know, eat an ear or two. It's gonna be a fun time. Nomi, Elfina, Elfenstein, and I would love you to hit that like button and subscribe to our video. So we'll see you again at the next video. Say bye, Nomi.
Bye-bye.
Oh, you talked. I meant to say 1 cup. What do you think, homie? Do you know me, the homie? Did I do a good job? No? Okay. I agree with you. Please subscribe and like our video, and I messed it up again. You did it again. Now what's wrong with you? Why do you have to be so cute? You know, cuteness can't get you everywhere.
Let's see about that.
I'm over here.
Yeah.
I'm over here. I wasn't even moving that fast. I wasn't moving like a bunny, like this. I wish. Go, just go.
I'm already.
I wish you could see the faces that Allie makes at me behind the camera. What happened to all the laughing, Snow Bunny?